Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about transformers. Yeah, and in that, what are the applications of transformer and what is the definition of transformer and what are the different types of windings available in a transformer. First, transformer. The applications of transformer. Transformer is used in many ways, and the major applications of transformers. And first, it is used to generate the power, and it is used in generation of powers and transmission of powers, distribution of powers, and audio systems and electronic equipments. These are some applications of transformer where transformers are used. Is it clear? First, this is the main important power generation, power transmission, power distribution, and some all nowadays in all electronics device equipments transformers are using. Okay, and audio systems as well. Yeah, next, coming to the definition of transformer. Transformer is a static device. What is the meaning of static? Means no rotating parts. Okay. Transformer is a static device which transfers electrical energy from one electrical circuit to another one with desired change in voltage and current via magnetic flux and without changing in frequency. Okay, and transformer is a static device which transfers electrical power from one electrical circuit to another electrical circuit with desired change in voltage or current with via magnetic flux or magnetic media. Magnetic magnetic media. Okay, and the frequency of the supply is constant one while transferring electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit. The frequency of the supply is constant. Frequency of the supply is constant. This is important. This is the definition, simple definition of a transformer. While transferring electrical energy from one circuit to another, the frequency of the supply is constant. Frequency of the supply is constant. How the electrical energy is transferred from one circuit to one circuit? By means of magnetic medium or magnetic flux, through magnetic flux. Is it clear? Yeah. Next, draw the symbol of transformer. Symbol representation of transformer. Symbol representation. Symbol representation. Generally, transformer consists of two windings. Transformer consists of two windings, and in between two windings there is a magnetic coupling. Yeah, these are the two windings of a transformer. This is these two lines indicates magnetic coupling. Magnetic coupling. Magnetic coupling. Right? In these two windings, one winding is act as a primary and another winding act as a secondary, and we don't know which one is primary and which one is secondary. And to know the primary secondary of a transformer, simple, the winding which is connected to the supply, listen carefully, the winding which is connected to the supply. Suppose this winding is connected to AC supply. Suppose this winding I am connected to AC supply. Next, another winding is connected to the load. Another winding is connected to the load. This load is variable. Now, this winding, the winding which is connected to the AC supply, this is AC supply. AC supply. And this is the load. The winding which is connected to the supply, generally we are calling as primary winding. Now this winding is act as a primary winding. The supply voltage having voltage V1 and the current is I1, current is flowing. And when I1 current is flowing, there is a EMF, self-induced EMF in the primary is called E1, and this winding I'm calling as primary, indicating with P. And when this winding is connected to the load, and this is calling as secondary winding, and in secondary also there is a EMF because of change in flux in the primary. That EMF I'm denoting with E2, and then the current flowing in the load is I2. And when current is flowing across the load, there is a voltage V2 terminal, where V2 is called terminal voltage. And the primary and secondary having the number of turns, primary number of turns N1, the secondary number of turns N2. Secondary number of turns N2. This is the symbol representation of transformer. Remember, the winding which is connected to the AC supply is called primary winding. The winding which is connected to the load is called secondary winding. Primary winding. Primary winding is connected to AC supply. Is connected to AC supply. And secondary winding. Secondary winding is connected to load. Is connected to load. Primary winding is connected to AC supply, and the secondary winding is connected to the load. Primary winding is connected to AC supply, and the secondary winding is connected to the load. Secondary winding is connected to the load. This is this simple basic representation of transformer, symbol representation of transformer. Is this clear? Thank you.